this. If it'll work with this. This is the Volkswagen one. I don't know if that's gonna work with it. This, we're gonna get these all lightly set in, Loctited, and then we're gonna go through and torque them. So, I'm actually gonna lift this up. There we go, slop it on. Okay, that's good. Then we're gonna come over here, put the cap on, and get the torque wrench. So we're going for 55 foot-pounds. So I'm just gonna start by getting this loose, like just there, so I can snug these all up. Make sure everything's bottomed out. There you go. 5. So I'm going to do crisscross, bang, 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 bang. That's 1. 2. 3. 4. 5. 6. Our new release bearing and a little bit of grease. So I'm going to spray this down one more time and wipe it with cleaner. Yeah, it's pretty clean. Yeah, that's nice. Yeah, that. And how we're gonna do this, put a little bit of grease right in the center here. Boom. I'm gonna clean this thing. That's good. You're gonna need this thing. Loctite. Bolts. And the torque wrench. Alright. Those are good. No, I just touched it like an idiot. Whatever. We got our clutch pegs. Go bang. 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 Put the cap on. Okay, just getting these all started with a little bit of Loctite on them. All right, so we're going to 16 foot-pounds. So right now we're going to zero this out. 0 is right there. That's 5 foot-pounds. 10, 15, 16. Now I'm just going to start loosely snugging these a couple turns at a time. So once these are all bottomed out, like this. They're just about bottomed. Okay. Now, I'm gonna pop this off. Do a crisscross here. We're gonna start down here. Okay, it's good, and then make sure this pops right out. Get it nice? That's nice. All right, so there's only one other thing to do on this motor, and that is this nightmare. Basically, let me get the sensor. All right, this sensor, which I believe changes the, I'm gonna guess it's the timing somehow. So if you look at this, you can see all the metal because this motor was just chewing it apart. That should be, yeah, it's pretty clean now. Come over here, and the junkyard for some reason put a long bolt in this, and it went through and broke this thing off, the old sensor in the motor. So as long as this comes out, we'll be good. If it doesn't, we're gonna have problems. But it seems like it's coming out, thankfully. As long as it comes out in one piece. All right, and that's gonna be annoying. All right, so that's a problem. Okay, that was incredible. Quality content. This one looks nice and clean. Yeah, let's do this. Jug of oil and just dip it. If we just get this lubed up, hopefully it'll slide right in. Alright, that looks mint right there. There she is. Yeah, a little bit of oil helps with the O-rings. We'll put this baby there. Snug her down. Okay, that takes care of that. This knock sensor I'm going to do real quick since I'm here. And I'm just going to do probably 10. Probably 10 or 11 foot-pounds. Yeah, we'll go with 7. So that's good. This is good. The sensor we need to get out. See, the sensor's fine, but junkyard cut it. So that's not going to work. So that sensor's good. This is good. This is good. Set up for the AC. No oil filter on it. We can throw that on now. Good old STP filter. Yeah, that's the right one. Saucy oil on it.